In this tank we have a range of animals that could be found in a tropical reef. The reason they're all so colourful is because then they'll be able to blend in with all the corals around them in the wild. The long-nosed butterfly fish has got a long mouth, and so it can pick at little creatures in the water. If you're looking at a blue fish, then it might be our Regal Tang, which is the same species as Dory in Finding Nemo. The Regal Tang are a type of surgeon fish, and that means that by the back of the tail they've got a tiny little blade which they can use to defend themselves against other animals. You'll also be able to see in that tank our Chocolate Chip Starfish, so they're white with lots of little red speckles on them. Starfish have an eye on the end of each arm. They're able to regrow body parts if they lose any, and on the bottom side of the body they've got hundreds and hundreds of tiny little feet, and then in the centre is where the mouth is. We feed a wide range of foods into the tropical tank. So they'll get a mix of flake, they'll get a little bit of mysis, which is like tiny little prawns, and then some of the bigger animals in there might get some bigger bits like krill. We also target feed our eel in there, so what we do is we stick a bit of fish on the end of a bamboo stick and we try and get it to the eel. We'll feed it twice a day, so we'll do a morning feed and then an afternoon feed. Some of the animals in our tropical tank get on really well. For example, our cleaner shrimp, they're very brightly coloured, and so what they'll do is they'll attract other animals with these patterns. And then what the other animals will do is they'll come up to them to encourage the cleaner shrimp to climb on top and pick off any dead skin cells or parasites. It keeps our fish nice and healthy, but it also provides our cleaner shrimp with some nice meals. Some really big fish, for example our eel, will even open its mouth wide and the cleaner shrimp will climb inside and clean its teeth.